Hi all, welcome to Kemagilan special 5 question series. In this video, let's check few questions from an important chapter, that is quantum mechanics. In almost all competitive exam, at least you can see one question from this chapter. Here I include a 5 question from the topic degeneracy. Let's begin our video. This is our first question. A particle in a 3-dimensional cubic box of length L has energy of 14 h square by 8 ml square. The degeneracy of the state is option A 3, option B 1, option C 6, option D 4. And this question asked in NET June 2012. How we can do this question? In question it is mentioned that it is a 3-dimensional cubic box of length L and with an energy of 14 h square by 8 ml square. And we have energy of particle in 3-dimensional box as nx square plus ny square plus nz square h square by 8 ml square, where nx, ny, nz representing levels, h representing Planck constant, m particle, mass of the particle, L dimension of the cubic box or length of the cubic box. And it's given that the energy is 14 h square by 8 ml square. On comparing these two values, what we will get? Nx square plus ny square plus nz square equal to 14, right? That is squares, sum of squares of levels giving the value 14. Now let's check this, how the values. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, and the energy is 14. So 4 will not be a value. The nx, ny, nz can be 1, 2, 3, any of these values. Now we can check what are the values. What are the values of nx, ny and nz? Just add these three values. 9 plus 4 equal to 13, 13 plus 1 equal to 14. So what we can write? We can write as 9 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 14. And the corresponding nx, ny, nz values will be square of nx is 9, so nx will be 3. Square of ny is 4, so ny will be 2. Square of nz will be 1, so nz will be 1. So the values or the levels will be 3, 2, 1. Here it is represented as nx equal to 3, ny equal to 2, and z equal to 1. This can be, ny can be 3, and x can be 2, and z can be 1. Similarly, nz can be 3, and x can be 2, and y can be 1. So like this we can write lot of values, and that representing what? Degeneracy. And that is what degeneracy called. And if we have this kind of values, it is a difficult process to find out the value. So we have some shortcut. For a 3-dimensional cubic box, if all the values are same, then degeneracy will be 1. If all the three levels are having the same value, so degeneracy will be 1. If at least one value is different, degeneracy will be 3. If all values are different, degeneracy will be 6. This is the shortcut. So you can apply this for 3-dimensional box. Remember, it is only for 3-dimensional box. For a 3-dimensional box, if all the levels are equal, the degeneracy will be 1. If at least one value different, degeneracy will be 3. If all values are different, degeneracy will be 6. Here you can see nx is 3, ny is 2, and z is 1. That is, all values are different. So degeneracy will be 6. Right. This is an important question, and you can see the same series of question in all the GATE exams and NET exam. So it's very easy to do, and just remember all these values. Okay, how we did? First we have taken the value of energy of particle in one three-dimensional box. Just compared the values. From that we got nx square plus ny square plus nz square equal to 14. Now we splitted 14 as 9 plus 4 plus 1, and corresponding nx and y nz values we found out. Then for three-dimensional box, if all values are same, the degeneracy will be 1. If at least one value is different, degeneracy will be 3. If all values are different, degeneracy will be 6. Here we got all values, all the three levels are different, so degeneracy will be 6. So our right answer is option C, 6. Second question. Consider a particle confined in a cubic box. The degeneracy of the level that has an energy twice that of lowest level energy is. Option A 3, option B 1, option C 2, option D 4. And this question asked in NET June 2014. How we can do this question? Here it is mentioned that it is a cubic box. It is a cubic box. Cubic box means 3D box. And degeneracy of the level, that is twice that of lowest level. Lowest level energy we have to find out, and the new level will be twice the energy of lowest level. And for three-dimensional box or at least one-dimensional box, the n value should not be 0. The value of n starts from 1. For simple harmonic oscillator, n will be 0. Okay, this you have to remember all the time. The minimum value of n for a particle in a box is 1. For simple harmonic oscillator, the minimum value of n is 0. Let's begin our question. We have energy of a particle in a three-dimensional box is like previous, nx square plus ny square plus nz square by nz square h square by 8ml square. And lowest energy level means all the values will be 1, right? Here nx equal to 1, ny equal to 1, and z equal to 1. Then just add this 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, it is 3. So lowest level, lowest energy for a 3D box is 3h square by 8ml square. And in question it is mentioned that a new level energy is twice the energy of lowest level. So energy of new level is 2 into 3h square by 8ml square, that is 6h square by 8ml square, right? Up to this I think no problem. First we have to consider 3D box. For 3D box, the minimum value of n is 1, so nx will be 1, ny will be 1, and z will be 1. So squares of sum of squares of these things will be 3. So minimum energy or lowest energy or the ground state energy for 3D box is 3h square by 8ml square. And in question it is given that for new level the energy is twice that of the ground state energy, that is 6h square by 8ml square. Now we have to find out degeneracy of this level. Degeneracy of this level, that is what our question. Like previous thing, we can do like this: nx square plus ny square plus z square is equal to 6, right? So how we can split 6? 4 plus 1 plus 1, that we have 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. So here value is 6, so we should not consider the value 3, only 1 and 2. We have to play with 1 and 2. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6. From that we can we get nx equal to 2 and y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. So we have to find out the degeneracy. We already have some we already have these values. If all values are same, then degeneracy will be 1. If any of the values different, degeneracy will be 3. If all values are different, degeneracy will be 6. Here you can see 2 values are same, 1 value is different. That is, degeneracy will be 3. Right. So our answer is option A, 3. This is similar to our first question. We have to find out the energy of new level and the value 6 that we have to make like nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Then we got 4 plus 1 plus 1. Corresponding to 4, nx will be 2. Corresponding to 1, ny will be 1. Corresponding to 1, nz will be 1. So here 2 values are same, 1 value is different. If for 3-dimensional box, if 2 values are same and the third is different, degeneracy will be 3. So our answer is 3. This is our third question. The degeneracy of an excited state of particle in 3-dimensional cubic box with energy 3 times its ground state energy is option A 3, option B 1, option C 2, option D 4. And this question asked in NET December 2015. It is exactly similar to our second question. You just pause the video and do this. Okay. Now let's see how we can do this. It is exactly similar to our previous question. Here it is mentioned that 3 times energy of ground state. We have energy, 3-dimensional box, we have energy ns square plus ny square plus nz square into h square by 8ml square. And for lowest energy, the value is 3h square by 8ml square. How it came? Nx equal to 1, ny equal to 1, and z equal to 1. And for new level, the energy is 3 times that of ground state energy, that is 9h square by 8ml square. Now we have to equate 9 with the nx square plus ny square plus nz square, that is equal to 9. We have 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. If is there any possibility to come this value? If it is 9, or if we are writing 3 0 0, is there any value like this? No. Why? For 3D box, minimum value of n equal to 1. So we can cut this value. We have to consider only 1 and 2. Here you can see 2 square 4, 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is corresponding to 4, nx equal to 2, corresponding to 4, ny will be 2, corresponding to 1, and z will be 1. And we have for 3D box, if all values are same, degeneracy will be 1. If any of the value is different, degeneracy will be 3. If all values are different, degeneracy will be 6. Here you can see nx and nx equal to ny and not equal to nz. So degeneracy will be 3. Right. So our answer will be option A 3. This is very simple question, and you will get 2 marks from this question. Let's move on to our next question. It is also same question. The degeneracy of a quantum particle in a cubic box having energy 4 times that of lowest energy. This asked in GATE 2009. Option A 3, option B 6, option C 1, option D 4. Here similar question. We have energy for 3-dimensional box as nx square plus ny square plus nz square into h square by 8ml square. And for ground state energy, it is nx equal to 1, ny equal to 1, and z equal to 1. So lowest energy will be 3h square by 8 ml square. Energy of new level is 4 times that of lowest energy level, that is 12h square by 8 ml square. Now we have to compare this 12 value, the value 12 in terms of nx, ny and nz. That is nx square plus ny square plus nz square equal to 12. Now we have 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So here value is 12, so we should not consider the value 4. So maximum possibilities 1, 2, 3. 9 plus 4 plus 1, 14. So that we cannot take. Now here we can write as 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 12. Any other value is there? 9 plus 1 plus 1. 9 plus 1 plus 1 will be 10, 11. 11 will come. 9 plus 4 is 13. So only this possibility is there, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4. So corresponding that for nx it is 2, ny 2, nz 2. And what we have? We have for 3-dimensional box. For 3-dimensional box, if all the values are same, then degeneracy will be 1. If any of the values different, degeneracy is 3. If all values are different, degeneracy is 6. Here you can see nx equal to, ny equal to, nz equal to 2. That is all the values are same, so degeneracy will be 1. The answer is option C, 1. So question 2, 3, 4 are exactly same question, and you will get 2 marks out of this, and it's very simple to do. Just you have to you just have to arrange this value, the nx square plus ny square plus nz square. So you have to just make this value. That is the only work you have to do. Remaining thing you can do like this. For 3D box, if all the values are same, degeneracy is 1. If any of the values different, then degeneracy is 3. If all values are different, degeneracy is 6. This you have to remember all the time. This is important. You have to note these values. Let's do our final question. Here a particle in a 3D box. Again 3D box of length L has energy 27h square by 8 ml square. The degeneracy of the state is. It's like our previous question. Now we have energy of a 3D box as nx square plus ny square plus nz square h square by 8 ml square, and given that the energy is 27h square by 8 ml square, so what we can write? Nx square plus ny square plus nz square equal to 27. Now we have to change 27 in terms of nx, ny and nz. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. One possibility what? 9 plus 9 plus 9. Then nx will be 3, ny will be 3, nz will be 3. So if all values are same, degeneracy will be 1. Right, this is first. Is there any possibility? Then 4 square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25. Here you can add 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 1, no possibility. Then 16 plus 9 plus 4, 29. There is no this value won't come. Next what we can do? We can write like this: 25 plus 1 plus 1. Then nx will be 5, ny will be 1, and z will be 1. Here two values are same, one value is different, so degeneracy will be 3. This is second case. In our previous question, we have seen that only one value is there. Here you can see two values are there corresponding to 27. One is 9 plus 9 plus 9, other is 25 plus 1 plus 1. Any other possibilities there? No. So here two kinds of values are there. So for corresponding to one we got degeneracy as 1, corresponding to the other we got degeneracy as 3. So in this case we have to take sum of the degeneracies. Total degeneracy equal to total degeneracy equal to sum of the degeneracies. That is, here total degeneracy equal to, from first we got 1, from second we got 3, overall 4. Then total degeneracy will be 4. Our answer is 4, option D, 4. Hope you understood this video, and the degeneracy question is very simple. First we have to find out the general equation, and then split the value corresponding nx, ny and z values you have to find. If there is more than 2 degeneracies, just add them to get total degeneracy. And always remember these values. These are very important. For 3D box, if all values are same, degeneracy will be 1. If any of the values different, degeneracy will be 3. And if all values are different, degeneracy will be 6. This is only for 3D box. For 1D box, degeneracy equal to 1. This also you have to remember. If you have any doubts, you can comment, and for more videos, subscribe. And this is Spartan. They are providing CSIR net coaching, also GATE coaching. You can, if you are interested in any of these two, you can contact those person, and the number I will give in the description box. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. We have one Instagram, Facebook page and Facebook group, and you can email me for more doubts. Thank you for watching.